Okay, so the message was regarding Standby Skipper, and they were basically confused on how I was able to stack several lightning lanes that were overlapping.
Hey, I'm Nicole. I'm sharing all things doing Disney with kids. I'm sharing wins and lessons learned, so keep watching for all my best Disney with kids tips.
So I had this great message on Instagram, and I honestly love it, when y'all send me messages asking me certain questions about either toddler-related travel or going to Disney with toddlers. That's honestly why I created this channel, is to share my wins and losses so that way I can help you build the confidence to do these things with your toddlers. Okay, so the message was regarding Standby Skipper, and they were basically confused on how I was able to stack several lightning lanes that were overlapping. So one, you can have lightning lanes that are overlapping in time, and even the My Disney Experience app will tell you you have overlapping plans at this time, but they probably just underestimate the willpower of a mama on a mission. And that mission is to manage Disney World with my toddlers. Okay, so yes, you can have overlapping plans, but these were not booked back to back. These were booked through Standby Skipper, and they were still in accordance with the normal Genie Plus rules. So with the Genie Plus rules, you can either select another attraction after it's been 2 hours from selecting your last attraction, or after you have banded in for an attraction. So what happened was we had banded into an attraction. Say this is around noon. I knew that we were going to be going back to our resort pretty soon to take our midday break and nap. So I knew that this was one of the last attractions that we were going to do in the park for that chunk of the day. We were about to go eat, watch the parade, and then head back to the resort for our nap. So then I had Standby Skipper searching for evening time lightning lanes because I wouldn't want it to book a lightning lane when we're not even in the park. That's where the Standby Skipper lightning lane time selection really comes into play. So I already had Standby Skipper searching for an evening attraction to grab for us right after we had banded in for that last attraction for that part of the day. So now we're gonna eat, watch the parade, head back to the resort, and about the time we get back to the resort, it's gonna be about 2 hours later, but I don't need to pay attention to that. Standby Skipper's already set up to go ahead and grab us another attraction after that 2 hour window. They're gonna grab us another evening attraction that I already had set up searching. We're at the resort, take a break, kids take a nap, and as we're heading back to the park, it had been another 2 hours in which Standby Skipper went and grabbed another evening lightning lane for us. So heading back into the parks around 4:35, we already had 3 lightning lanes that were stacked for us, ready to ride once we got back into the park. This was such a set it and forget it move that is notorious by Standby Skipper. Totally love it. And we were able to still get what we wanted done while being able to rest and nap and enjoy our time without being rushed and on our phone all the time. So if you have any more questions, anything Disney related, toddler travel related, I honestly love answering them. I also love messaging with y'all in the different apps, so please continue to do that. I'm here to share everything that I know with you guys. So if you want, leave a comment, send me a message. Please like and subscribe to this channel as well. And I'll see you real soon, besties.